So I'm making this video in response to some of the other videos that are online showing replacing a hard disk in similar models. And the message in those videos is that there's a board flip required, which is a lot of fuss with one of these MSI computers. I got as far as removing the fans and the heat sinks before I realized that, in fact, the hard disk I was looking for is right under here and is a simple 10-minute swap out. So just in case you've got this model and not one of the others, I guess they fixed it.